Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Spyderco Balance Spy27 Sprint Run. This red and black box always gets me excited. Wow, it's tiny cute! The finish is also very beautiful. The grip feels like it melts into my hand. The grip length is about 3 fingers and a half. The blade centering is perfect. Let's compare it to the Ladybug 3, which I use on my keychain. The Balance Spy27 has a firmer grip than the Ladybug with the lanyard. The blade finish is also very beautiful. It looks a little rough compared to VG10, etc. I tried pocket carry, and it fits easily into my coin pocket. Even with an EDC light inside, there's still plenty of room in the pocket. The coin pocket on the Dragonfly 2 is a little tight. And anyone who owns a Dragonfly 2 will experience this. The Dragonfly 2's jimping chews into the denim. The Balance Spy27 does not chew into the denim. The jimping is only inside the finger choil. The Balance is designed to be symmetrical. Will you be able to hold the blade correctly in an emergency? Let's try it out. My micro dyad is also symmetrical. I can't tell which side is up just by touch. The pocket clip on the Balance Spy27 always rests on the inside of your hand even if the clip is reversible. If you try to open it by holding it upside down, it won't open. It's a great design. Although the balance is tiny, it fits snugly in your hand and can be supported with just your fingers.